Hello everyone and welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to disable text notification for one person on your iPhone. Be sure friends, put your likes under the video, write comments after watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's you and I get down to our topic. First of all, friends, you will need to open the messaging app on your smartphone and here find the conversation you want. And now you're going to have to either go to the person's name, and then at the top, tap on the person's name again, and here turn on Disable Notifications if it's available to you. Also, another option, as you can easily do, is to swipe the conversation from the right side to the left side, like this. And now tap on the blue cross-out bell sign. This way, you will not receive any notifications or text messages from this person in the future. Until you enter the messaging app and see that this person has written to you, you will not receive any notifications. All the same can be done with group chat, but keep in mind that in group chat disabling any text notifications, it will affect all members of the group chat. I hope this video helped you. You saw how easy it is to disable text notifications for one person on your iPhone. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, write comments, and give us likes. See you soon.